Hi guys, welcome to XL. So I'm back today for a quick unboxing of the Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie Lite Gatsy Edition. Well actually, this is the 2018 version of the Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie Lite, and it now has 3GB RAM and 32GB storage space. So that's a pretty amazing upgrade from last year's device. Its price is $8,995, but it is going on sale exclusively at Lazada for $7,695. So I am yet to know the final sale details, but I will update you guys in the link below and of course in our blog at lip6xlenses.com. But for now, let us unbox this baby. There you go. This is really nice. I love the box of the Zenfone 4 Selfie. It still has the premium touch with the holographic logo and the heart photo branding of the Asus Zenfones. There you go. And inside we have this packet. What does it contain? Oh, there's the phone. See? But let's get to that later. This is a SIM ejector tool and a clear case. So it's plastic, which is good because it won't be easily broken. Let's put it aside, and now here we have the phone. Before we get to the phone, which is a really lovely device, it's quite light and everything. Let's see what else are inside the box. The adapter. This is a micro USB device. Here is the plug. Headsets, because we all need our headsets. And Asus makes some good ones. So I guess that's it inside. And this is the device. This is the Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie Lite in the gold edition. It is a white front face with the gold all around the back. I like how it's very streamlined. Let me just quickly remove the plastic so that we can all admire the finish of it. For a less than 10,000 peso device, I kind of really like how it looks and feels. It is very premium looking. I wouldn't actually feel that it's just $7,695 on Lazada. So I'm pretty happy about that. So here is the Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie Lite. You have the cameras. I think these are 30 megapixels in the rear and in the front. And on the top you have the headphone jack. This is a 3.5mm audio jack. This is SIM tray. And here in front, of course, the soft lighting. There's an official term to it. And then the camera, volume rockers, power button, and this is, I think this is where you put the fingerprint. I mean, this is the fingerprint sensor. Back button, multi-tabs button, and under you have the speakers and then the micro USB port. Watch out for the sale. Sale details will be posted down below, and also on my Instagram account and Facebook at lip6xlenses. So this has been Gatsy, and thank you for watching. Please do hit like and subscribe if you haven't already for more beauty, tech, and lifestyle here on lip6xlenses. Thank you and bye. See you again next time.